Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 2 minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. I have an order at 43.50 here, and I'm in there for a call at 43.50. And out for a $100 scalp. Very good. I am trading options if you don't know what options are. There it is right there. Just trying to... I'll explain that here in a little bit. I want to go down to the next level here at 39.50. So let's see if this movement wants to continue to pull back some more. Actually, let's go to 38.70. So I am watching this number right here, and I want to see that number go down to 38.70 and then drop slightly below, because that would mean I'm able to buy. And when I'm able to buy, that white order would turn green. So if you go back and watch a previous one, you'll see that that white order, or that order was white for a little bit, and as soon as it turned green, that $100 right there showed up. And I was saying, I am doing options here. Don't run away. Don't be intimidated. They can be made very complicated, but they don't have to be. And I approach them in more of a simplified way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then I'm confident you'll find value in a free class I put together. Sorry for stumbling over my words, but I'm trying to focus and explain to you at the same time. But if you're interested in learning more, just comment option or option guide in the comment section, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. Like I said, it'll walk you through the terminologies, the foundational aspects of things to get you started. So that is what I'm looking to do right here. So yes, trying to talk, think, analyze at the same time. So I apologize, like I said, for stumbling over my words, but either way, good, strong start. I don't know, that was $100 in, I don't know, about 10 seconds. That trade did not last very long at all, but I'll take it. So like I said, let's see if this thing wants to come down some more, and I'll be ready at 38.70. I will pause for now. Whoops. I was on best bid for a second. Did not get filled. Oh, wow, that fast came back up. So let's go to 37.70 now at this point. Just double checking. Yeah, 37.70. Like I said, you know what number to now watch. Keep an eye on that one right there. Like I said, it needs to drop slightly below 37.70 in order for me to get filled. Getting filled means that white order turns to green. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 39. Okay, let's go to 38.50 now at this point. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to 37.50, 37.20. All right, let's see if we can get 37.20. I will pause. Have an order at 39.20. Got down there, did not fill me, so let's go to 38.20 now instead. And I'm at 38.20 here for a call. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 39.70. Let's come down just a bit more. Oh, come on. All right, got close. I'll pause. Okay, I'm at 38.20 now. Oh, come on, I was on best bid. See if it wants to try again. Ah. See if it wants to come back down. Bummer. If you scroll back, you'll see that my order showed up right here. It means I was best bid. Problem with best bid is that's not good enough. Does not necessarily mean you're going to get filled. All right, moving my order down to 37.70 at this point. Let's go 40 here. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe I'm going to get 38.20 here. I cancel that 40 out, sticking with 38.20. But once again, that's just not the right spot. Now if I'm going to get filled on that, it would be implying basically a break of that pink line, 200 period moving average, so I don't like that. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to go for put here at 39.50. Let's see what it wants to do. So out there for a $260 loss on that one, now down 160 on the day. I thought it would get rejected on that moving average area, and it still may come back down, but it definitely didn't get rejected. At this point, I'd be hoping on a fake break, which is, hope is not always where you want to be as a trader. Because I can always get back in, so that's something you have to always remind yourself as a trader. Oh, and yeah. And yep, looking like I would have, and yep, would have been okay. But that's all hindsight. Like I said, that's not how you necessarily build a good plan. It's just something built on hope. So it was a fake break, but unfortunately I was playing a rejection. Now, if I was playing a fake break, I would have gotten filled a little bit better and I would have been right, but I chose wrong. I chose just a flat out rejection, but it ultimately turned out to be a fake break. All right, well, let's hop back over here to the calls. We'll see if this thing wants to come back down here and potentially bounce. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 37.50 here for a call. So yeah, talk about a fake break. That's all good old hindsight trading. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 37.20 here for a put. Once again, I don't know, maybe I'll throw an order out there. We'll see if we can catch your... It keeps getting rejected, but have you ever been there where you're like, I feel like as soon as I put my order in, that's where it's actually going to go. That's how I'm feeling right now. Is it trying to sucker me in? You know what? Let's try 38. I don't know, 37.20 looking like it's got a chance here. Okay, and they're at 37.20. And it still suckered me right in. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Look at that. Just once again, did not care about that purple line. Joke is on me today. Yep, got to get out. Down 400 now, and I am done for the day. Clearly, I do not have it, which is crazy because I started off nice. And this thing, I would not shock me if this thing just crashes back down. Well, now, of course, I want to see this thing just continue to go straight up. But yeah, the joke is on me. First one, did not care about the purple line, and then came down. This one, you saw, just rejected, 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 rejected. All right, let's try to get up here, right at that area of resistance, right at these previous highs. Did not care. Up it goes, and maybe it's coming back down. But either way, the joke was on me. And yeah, I am definitely not in any sort of mental spot now to continue trading. I am irritated, frustrated. So really best I can do is laugh about it, but that still doesn't mean that it's annoying. So that is all I have for you. So on the big picture of things, I'll be fine. It's not like I blew up my account. It's not like I blew up my month or anything like that. It's nothing crazy from that regard. It's just mentally now. I clearly something's off now. The market has said, yeah, Clay, your vision started off good, but since then just don't have it. So that's all I have for you. I will appreciate the transparency. I definitely don't want to post this, but you know, it is what it is. This is what happens sometimes in the market. So if you appreciate the transparency, hit that like button, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. We wanted to come back and do a quick little update here and just go through a quick lesson of what taking a deep breath, what taking a walk can do for you. And that's exactly what I did. Just kind of reset my mind, came back, and now I am closing up $30 with commissions. I was just checking, had about $25 in commissions. So closing up $5.50. But compared to where I was down at the peak, which with commissions, let's call it 415-ish. I feel good about making $5.50. But yeah, so if you're ever feeling really rough like I was, and I don't know, you can let me know in the comment section. Maybe I shouldn't have traded it at all. And I am, you know, that's fair. But I can also say that there is power in just taking a deep breath, stepping away for a little bit, letting your mind reset, and then coming back. And if there are opportunities, which there were, today was a great trading day. Yeah, it made me the joke early on. But then I had some nice trades, which, you know, brought me back. So I don't want to say I got my revenge, because that sounds like I was revenge trading. I just mean that in kind of a comedic way. You know, that the market got me, but I definitely got it back and had some quality trades. So that is where I'm ultimately closing. But yeah, today early on, that was rough for sure. And if you ever feel like you are the joke, that is okay. That's how the market works. Sometimes we make the market our joke. We are just tearing it up. We are just seemingly doing no wrong. But other days, no matter what your strategy is, sometimes you are going to be the joke, and it seems like, you know, whatever you do is going to be the exact opposite thing of what you should be doing. But like I said, take a breath, take a walk, do whatever you got to do, try to reset your mind, and make sure there's opportunities. Or I mean, if you do have to just be totally done for the day too, that's fine too. Like I said, I'm open. Maybe you're saying, oh, Clay, you said you were done. You said you should have walked away. And if you feel is that way, like I said, feel free to, like I said, let me know that in the comment section. But so just quick little update there. Up 30, but like I said, with commissions, $5.50. So thanks for hanging out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.